Hey guys, what's up everybody? This is Arafat from Beastech AI, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make AI videos and make a lot of money. So before showing how you can make AI videos, I will show you some examples. Let's go to TikTok, and as you can see here, this page is making cat story videos, and let's copy their username and see how much they are making per video. Let's go to this website short.ai, and you can see here tools, TikTok money calculator. Okay, we'll paste the username here and click on calculate. Oh, this is crazy. You can see they are making 12,670. It is an estimated earning per video. So let's check one more channel. I have already opened this page so I can show you directly. You can also check, you can come to this website short.ai, go to tools and click on TikTok money calculator, and you can paste any username of the TikTok over here and they will show you the estimated earning per video of the channel or the page. Okay, now let's check on YouTube. I have found one YouTube channel and open it in my laptop. As you can see here, they are making AI stories based on the cow, the dog and the other animals. The goat is here on fire. So click on calculate and you can see here it's loading. So as you can see here, it shows the estimate YouTube partner earnings monthly. This is crazy guys, $43,000. Okay, let's not waste time and move forward. So to make AI videos like these, you have to go to this website short.ai. I'll put the link in the description. You can simply click on the link in the description and come to this website. Now I am going to show you the features what this website can do. I have the premium of this short.ai and I will show you how you can create a video. Before that, let's scroll down and see what other features this website is offering. It says that it offers the fastest way to create pro faceless videos. Let's see, once we go to the dashboard and we'll create a video, we'll know how fast it makes a video for you. So these are the types of videos it can make. See here, this is AI story. Okay, this is a AI story video. This one is a Reddit story video. Okay, and this, as you can see here, this is a fake text video, and this is a dialogue generated video. Okay, so you can create these 4 types of videos on this website and you can post them on your YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or even your Facebook. So let's scroll down. As you can see here, I have used the subtitles. I have used this feature on this website to add subtitles. Okay, and I have seen a lot of templates for the subtitles on this video, which is great. You can also schedule posting on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram, and you can save a lot of time. Okay, so without wasting time, let's move forward. Let's go to the dashboard of this video, I mean this website. So as you can see here, this is my home, and you can see here I have 346 credits remaining for this month. You can create a faceless video, which is a Reddit story, fake text or a AI story video. And also you can see some AI tools over here. The first one is a caption generator and 2 other are coming soon. So as you can scroll below, you can see they have showcased some demo videos of their AI tool. Okay, like the demo videos, what type of videos their AI tool can make. You can scroll and look at these videos. They look like some viral videos from YouTube and TikTok. So without wasting time, let me show you how you can make a AI story video. Okay, click on the AI story video. You can also enter your custom script, or if you don't have a script, you can simply go to the AI script, and again in the AI script you can put your custom prompt. If you don't have a custom prompt, you can go to select templates. They have a lot of pre-inbuilt templates. So as you can see here, you can create interesting history AI video, long form joke AI video, bedtime stories, and many more. Also motivational story. So let's select the motivational AI story, and let's use this one. Let's see. So yes, we have to make the script in English. If you have any hook, you can enter here, or if you don't have, it's okay. Then for the script length, you can select 30 to 60 second and generate script. Once you click on the generate script, it will automatically write a script for you. Okay, then you can simply click on next. Now select the background, what type of background you want for this video. Let's select Disney style for this time. Click next. Now as I told you in the beginning, they have a lot of templates for the subtitle. So as you can see here, all the templates are here. Then let's select this one and click next. Now select the audio as you like, and also the music. Always keep the music 5%, or if you want to keep it more, keep it 10%, but don't keep more than 10% because it will interrupt the narration. Okay, now let's select the voice. There are a lot of multilingual voices you can select. You can search the voice here, you can select the gender of the voice, then you can select the age, you can select the language. As you can see here, there are a lot of languages available here. For now we will select English, but you can select the language you like. And let's select this voice, John Doe. Okay, now let's click on generate video. Website is generating the AI video for us. So as now it is generating the video, I will pause the video so it will not waste your time. So guys, as you can see here, the video is generated, and let's see how does it looks.
When she lost her job, days turned into weeks with no interviews. Doubt crept in. She decided to change her approach. Instead of waiting for opportunity, she began exploring new skills online. With each lesson, her confidence grew. Gradually, she rebuilt her resume. A month later, she landed an interview. Nerves bubbled up, but she remembered her journey. She spoke from her heart, sharing her growth and resilience. The interviewer smiled, recognizing her determination. A week later, Lena received a call. She got the job. This experience taught her that setbacks are just stepping stones. Strength lies within us. Embrace challenges. They can lead to beautiful transformation. Lena faced a setback when she lost her job.
Okay, so now you can just go back to the home page. In my projects, you can see here, this is our generated video, and this is one more video I generated using this website. Click here on 3 channels. Okay, now click on channels, and you can simply add your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook accounts from here. You can click on connect channel and simply log in to your YouTube or TikTok channel, and it will get connected to this website. So you can come here on my projects after that, and you can open the video we created. Okay, then you have to click on create post. After clicking on create post, you will see here this transforming the title. The description is here. already automated for you. The video is here, then you can put the visibility to public and you can schedule the post now. Okay, once you click on the schedule post, the as you can see here, the post is scheduled. Let's see. Click on the channels, go to channels, go to publish, and as you can see here, the post is published for 24th of March, which is today at 7:11 p.m. Okay, you can also change the time if you want. From here you can click on edit, publish now from here. Once you click publish now, the post will be published on your YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, whichever you have connected in the channels. In this video, we have a giveaway of 2 months premium of short.ai to one lucky winner. All you have to do is like this video, comment below your Telegram username and subscribe to our free Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. I will also announce the winner on my Telegram channel. So guys, 1000 views on this video and 50 comments. After that, one lucky winner will be chosen and he will be given 2 months of premium of short.ai. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and for more such content, like, share and subscribe us. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.